How to log into your Milestone credit card account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Milestone credit card account online. So it's a pretty simple process. You can basically head over to any web browser and simply search in for Milestone credit card account login, or you can also search in for just Milestone credit card, and you can just head over to the Milestone first link over here, and once you tap on that, at the top right of your navigation bar, you should see something like this. And once you click on the login button, you just have to enter your registered username as well as your password, and make sure all of those information or login credentials are correct. And if you ever forget your username or password, you can always click on this following link to successfully reset them via the following the on-screen instructions. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.